how to change email on YouTube channel. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open YouTube on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for view your channel. Tap on that, and now in the interface that you will be led to, from the left side toolbar, tap on the customization option and now scroll through and you will see the text box for email. Simply place your cursor there and then go ahead and make the required changes and enter your new email ID that you want to change to. Once done, tap on the save option you see there at the bottom, and with this, your email ID on YouTube will be changed. So this was how you can change email on YouTube channel. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.